them there. See them there. See them there.
Pinarala keep and soldier and police go lock it up.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hey, wagwan, me there again. Blessed manners and respect each and every one. My people, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened because of some type of disagreement. If somebody say, no, the reason why I say it like that is because I'm not sure how many persons might have been involved in the whole situation. But however, in the video, me hear when a person said family yard. And once me hear that, the people, I start to wonder certain things. I mean, the situation even reached to a point where one person threw an object in the direction of someone. I want to point out that the person mentioned the word car in the video. I listened to what the person said about car in the video, viewing subscribers. I hear a lot of talking in the video. I also hear harsh language in the video. Basically, in my point of view, I hear arguing in the video, viewing subscribers. So look and listen to this video and leave a comment or comments to let me know if you see any form of wrong based on certain things that you can see and some words said in the video. My people, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
So Thursday night, we come up through this gate. See? Up in the gate and driving. We live in our family yard. You see? We live up on the hill up the summit park down here, so.
Listen.
Family them is so bad mind that me come in, the gate is not electric. You have to come in and pull the gate. You pull the gate, drive in. When I back up the park, see? Somebody from up there so. In the darkness, I don't know if I this so or wherever. Fling stone in my car back room. See there? Down this so.
Okay, let me see something this so. I wonder for that.
What? My car do bad mind people. Bad minded people. See, the dummy car. When you see me, I can't lick me with stone, but when I go lick me car, I can't lick on no back. See there? Come in. Then I come, then I fling the stone and I come in front way. Then fling the stone and I back up. So I can't see a hole.
So look at that. I look at
So I right up here so. And then make sure fling it low. That's I don't know if I fling it low or I catch it down at the bottom, but if they did bust out my car glass, I don't know. And what they would tell me say. See? I don't know if up here so they fling it from. I don't know if up here so they fling it from, but I don't this so it leak. I don't know if up here so they fling it from. But I don't the soil. See? Then write up 10 commandments on the tank. Hey, the big old parish tank. 10 commandments. Christian people, and so them Christian people. I mean, I know what kind of dirty life they have. The pastor you tell them morning, they no answer. But yet still, they go to church every Saturday. See? Around yesterday and leave.
So
they say they want to beat me with big tick. But true they can't catch me. See what part they live here. True they can't catch me, they lick me car. But I tell them say see where one of them live there and see where the next one live there so. See them there. See them there. See them there. And you fling stone in me, and you fling stone in me car. You say you say a big tick to lick me. You say you have big tick to lick me. And a big stone you fling in there, a little stone type. If you fling big stone in there, you not call Andrew name easy if you call. Look here, man. They come and then fling stone in my car. Fling stone in my car. And I'm going to call me brother name. Run here so they live. Them are people so them are Christian. And no matter how you pass, no matter how you pass and tell them morning, they no answer. They no answer. They no answer. And then they not show the teeth in wire. They never show you. Me go show you teeth in wire. See which part the teeth in wire there? The teeth in wire when nearly electrocute me. So where they have a teeth in wire them there. Miss Evan, Thursday never see when me park and they fling big stone in my car. Sit there. Sit there. Sit there. Sit there. Sit there. See which part is stone live. See which part is stone lick. Now you say you have big stone fill, you say you have big whip to beat me. You say you have big whip to beat me. But through the car can lick your back. Through the car can lick your back. Through the car can lick your back, you're gonna lick the car. Miss Evan. Thursday night, you never hear the stone ram up in my car.
Why is it that some persons who live somewhat close together within that area often don't agree and often have disagreements? But people, that's one situation, right? See, and let me make it very clear to subscribers, I'm only going by words what we hear in the video and so forth. I'm not able to confirm if any words that have been said in the video by anyone are accurate or even true. And so that's my people. Tell me, what's the best way to resolve a situation like that? What would you do if you find yourself in a situation like that? Leave your comments, let me know what you think. Is it a way? Let me move on to another topic, and we really and truly hope for the best when it comes on to that whole thing right there, more for the best. See, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. In the next video that I'm about to present to you, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person said or claimed that police and soldier was at a funeral. The person said other words in the video, viewers, subscribers, and I think I see at least one other video hearing a person saying certain words and so forth. But listen, I'm going to present those two pieces of videos that I saw of your subscribers so that you can have a better understanding of what I'm talking about. But before I present these pieces of videos to you, I want to make it very clear that I am not able to confirm if any words that have been said in any of these videos by anyone are accurate or even true. So, but look and listen for yourself, people. Oh, and viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me.
Funeral keep and soldier and police go and lock it off. Not even pray, they never get to pray over the body good. Not even pray, they never get to pray over the body good. They go and lock it off, watch ya. I first never see this from the day me born out of my mother. I first me birth. I never hear this in a life. Funeral keep and SFP sees it. And on night, you know, I miggle there. Miggle there. And everybody have to leave. I run out of church. Watch ya. Kuya. See there? Everybody have to run out of the church at Savlama. Everybody have to run out of church. Church sees a dancehall, they don't get the permit. Come on, go. First we see this. In a life, church a keep and soldier and police curfew it and set it over. It have to stop now. The pastor don't get.
Here's the other piece of video.
What them we see there? Soldier, police, see there? Them tell the church we see, see there? Walk, foot, tankard, jeep, everything. First me I see this in a history. See there we have to run out of the church. Because we think I want gunman in there, we never know say they get up a fire shot. We never know say they get up a bus shot. See there, everybody, you know see it? See soldier them in the middle road there? Only for soldier, police. So the funeral of the lock off. Our time now, who can tell me time? 12:50 in a middle day, 12:50 p.m. in a middle day. Soldier said this funeral of the lock off, close up. Soon turn it off. See there? Everybody have to run out. Soldier like nothing and police. Say this officers. Stop now. Blood clot. Hey dead. Tire you never on a bad so.
Well, my people, overall, once me hear the word funeral, somewhat make me think about certain sad ways and so forth. You see, but some words when me hear someone said in at least one of these pieces of videos, it make me wonder as well. Yeah, it make me wonder as well. Yeah, but anyways, I hope for the best when it comes down to people overall, your subscribers. I mean, you see, and I think here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. So big up and respect to each and every one. Let me say that again, you know. Big up and respect to each and every one. And if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.